Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm gonna show you how to change polar pattern in JBL Quantum stream. You can do it in two different ways. Firstly, the first way to do that is just to press and hold on the one button you have on your JBL Quantum stream microphone. So just press and hold it, and you will see that now, for example, white LED is lighting. If you will hold it again, green will be lighting now. So there is two different modes of recording sound, and this is the first way to do that. You should do that even using your JBL Quantum Stream application. So just open it from hidden background apps. Hiding icons, click on JBL Quantum Engine twice, and here you will see your quantum settings, and here you will see polar pattern. So and here we have two modes, omnidirectional and cardioid. Omnidirectional and cardioid microphones serve different purposes and are suited for various applications depending on your needs. For example, omnidirectional microphone mode, it captures sound equally from all directions, so 360-degree sound field, as you can see. For example, it's good for natural sound capture, ideal for capturing the ambient qualities of a space, ASMR, and something about it. Proximity effect this have, so this microphone, this mode do not exhibit the proximity effect, which means they do not boost bass frequencies when close to the sound source, and so it's very good for outdoor use, for example, or for field recording, so perfect for capturing environment sounds in nature. Useful in interviews or panel discussions where sound comes from various directions. Of course, it's excellent for capturing the full ambience of a room or multiple sound sources simultaneously. But it has really big limitations. So they can pick up unwanted ambient sounds, which might not be ideal if isolation of a specific sound source is required. What about cardioid mode? So cardioid mode designed to capture sound primarily from the front, reducing noise from the sides and rear. So this mode excellent in isolation the desired sound source. For example, now I'm recording in cardioid mode on Razer Omni Mini microphone. The quality of this microphone is slightly the same. So, of course, omnidirectional is perfect for voice recording, for vocal recording, due to their ability to focus on the voice and reduce room noise. It's ideal for streaming, and they capture clear sound while minimizing background noise, enhancing the listener's experience. It's very good for live performances, so useful in live setting to reduce feedback and isolate the performance voice or, for example, instrument. And suitable for recording vocals and instrument in a controlled environment where clarity is essential. Compared to omnidirectional mix, cardioid microphones may not capture the natural ambience of space, and it's very bad for capturing interviews, for example, just because you can see it capturing sounds from one side, but if second speaker is on another side, it will not capture his voice. So this is the main limitation. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it's true, so leave me a like and comment below. And thank you so much again. Bye.